the moment my eyes fell to your smile, it's left me feeling kind of funny inside. I've been blindly tripping through the day, but I hear your voice, my problems fade away. You don't know how beautiful you are, darling. And again, I'll say it through. I just can't explain right now how I'm feeling for you. Well, I guess you think it's pretty clear, but I lose my feet, mix up my words when I hear. I only want to make you proud. It's crazy how I need you now. I never thought you'd ever feel the same. I'll carry on this life a dream. You got me drop back on my knees. I'm scared of falling from my feet again. For rain, I wish you love your name, 'cause I think you're amazing. But I never say, trust me when I say I need you this way. I'll make you believe in yourself someday. You're the brightest thing that helps me through the day. And I know that this just might be hard, but it feels so right, I feel it in my heart. I only wanted you to see that this is how I want to be. I swear I'd give it up for all to see. I just don't think you understand how well my fingers fit your hand. I'm so proud to admit that I'm your man. For sun, for rain, I wish you'd love your name, 'cause I think you're amazing. And I never say, trust me when I say I need you this way. I'll make you believe in yourself someday. I'll make you believe in yourself someday.